Here's a quick tutorial on how to adjust the parking brake on an F250 Super Duty. This is a early 99 model, 7.3 liter. There are these little caps and the rear tire, rear wheel, and then behind these caps inside is a little clicker gear. And what you do is you just stick a screwdriver in there, and then you turn the gear up or down to pick up the slack. What I did on both the tires is to tighten up the brake line. I rotated the gears clockwise when looking from the back of the truck towards the front of the truck. So both the gears were turned clockwise. So on the left rear tire, I moved the screwdriver up like that, came in and went like that, and on the back, on the right tire, I did the opposite. And then once I reached resistance, then I backed it off about 4 clicks, and that was about perfect.